Hi y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a design team project for Oohlala Vintage Treasures, and we are using her newest kit, which is Pink Parfait Cafe Kit. It's a collection. The kit that I'm using is the mini journal. I believe this is from the mini journal kit. I should have pulled it up so I knew what I was talking about. Let me check real quick. These things are adorable, and I put them on some let's see, mini journal on popsicle sticks. Yes, they're on the mini journal kit in the Pink Parfait Cafe kit collection. Oh, go to Etsy, you'll find it. So I have these, well, I stole them from Holly, so don't tell her. These little popsicle sticks, and I just hot glued them on there, and then added some laces and some luster cream, some wax, luster wax, and it's still a little wet around the edges. The color this is what, lilac rainbow, so we have pink colors in there. Yeah, aren't those cute? So let's make a couple. They're so easy. Let's put those over there. So how is everybody doing? I hope you're doing well. Christmas is coming too fast. Way too fast. So there we go. And these little popsicle sticks, I don't know where I got them from. She's had them forever. I have all my little bits in here. So let's see what we can find. But I bet you can check the Dollar Tree. Oh, I like that. Check the Dollar Tree for popsicle sticks. You will probably find them there. I got hot glue all over the place. I like that flower. Oh my goodness. These strings from this hot glue are driving me nuts. Oops. Come on. I want to put a bling in the center of that. Boy. Let's see, what do we want to do for this one? These are so easy to make. And so much fun. And then you can use them in your journal. Make a journal with the kit. Or use them to decorate your room, your craft room. I can't stand that glue. I tend to think the cheaper the glue, the worse it is. Look at that. Isn't that cute? Oh my gosh, I love that. I need to save that for something special. Isn't that adorable? Got some diamonds in here. Let's put them across there. Let me find a bling. It's in the drawer above me. I have a bunch of these drawers. Oh, we don't want that. Let's do that one. Too adorable. Take a little bit of this wax. And go around the edges. So I'll have Doreen's Etsy linked below so that you can go get this collection. Very nice. This wax is going to last me forever. Can you see all four of them? All right, well, that was fun. Now it's time to figure out the journal part. And I hope to see you make some of these. Tag me so I can see them. All right, thank you for hanging out with me. Please click that like button and leave me a comment. And I will see you in the next video. Bye, y'all.